Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to download and install Cline CLI and use it to Unreal Engine 5.8 with the MCP server. As you can see, this is the work of my client with the MCP server. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here to Google, go to client.pub/CLI and copy this command. A copy. Go ahead, command Chrome, open it, paste it, and hit enter. The installation is of Cline CLI is begin. Before you start, you must download the Node.js to work. If you don't install the Node.js, it's not working. Okay, fine. To make it work, we have to copy the client to run it. Okay, let's go this slide and let's see. Okay, as you can see, it's run. Now, you must choose provider from those. You can use the client, ChatGPT, but not ChatGPT. ChatGPT plus subscription. For me, I don't have subscription. How to work with client for free? Okay, sign in with client. Okay, continue with Google. Choose your Google account. Continue. Confirm. You are all set. Return here. Now, we have to choose a model from those. Those are recommended, but it's not for free. It's paid. Okay. For free models, you can use DeepSeek, Stewart, Laguna. Okay, let's choose, for example, DeepSeek. Low, medium, high, choose what you want. For me, I want to choose balance, medium. Okay, don't want promo code, press escape. Let's see if we can try. Okay, as you can see, it's working. Now, the next thing I want to do is to enable the MCP server in the Unreal Engine 5.8. First of all, let's close client on here and open the editor. Click new project, select your personalized template and hit create. Okay, now let's go edit plugins, search for MCP, enable the first plugin and the Unreal MCP plugin. Search for editor, concept, enable this plugin, and finally enable television now. Yes. Now you can start now to the start this. Okay, fine, the editor has stopped. Now let's move to the next step is to go here to editor preferences, search for model context protocol, enable it, and go with terminal here. Create 3 arrays. The first one, you can go to all of this on the description. Okay, let's copy and paste first command, this one. Okay. Second one. Okay. Make cd /d space and go here. show in Explorer. Go to Unreal Engine projects, my project path. Okay. And return here to every preferences. Paste it. Okay, as you can see, this is the same one. cd/db space paste your project path field. And final one is Cline. Okay, this step is done. Now let's move to the next step. Next step is to make to copy this one configuration of the MCP server. Make sure your CMD is selected with the output lock here. Paste it. This command allows you to create the MCP JSON file in your Explorer. As you can see, it's created. You can use it to connect with the client later. After that, auto start server. Let's click here. Okay, as you can see, oh, let's start. Okay, we are done from those steps. The final step is to close the editor. Okay, and restart. Now, close the editor preferences, go to let's search for terminal. Okay, as you can see, client is working automatically. Okay, let's make the editor right here. And let's see, for example, how many actually I haven't expressed. Let's see here. Okay, as you can see, how many actors is level? 65. Then my level is 64. How many blueprints? Actor, 8 blueprints. I think we have 8 here. Let's see. Okay, blueprint guys. I have them, but it's not what we got. But let's see. For example, create red cube. Okay, as you can see, this model is not created automatically. Our red cube, for example, on a test, this static mesh was created in static mesh. Let's see, for example, generate something else. Okay, for example, generate a bridge. Let's see it works or not. Okay, as you can see, it's not generated automatically, but the file is created here. And I show an Explorer. Okay, content. It have external art object and actors. Think this one is a question, for example. What is my class? It's not clear. Okay, it's not good for the Unreal Engine 5.8 with the MCP server. This model, I think that is not good. I don't recommend to use. Thank you guys for watching. That's all for this tutorial.